Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to remove password protection from PDF using Adobe Acrobat. To do this process, you need to open a file whose password you know, otherwise you can't do it. Now I'm gonna open a password protected PDF file which password I know. Here is the actual PDF file which one protected by password. Now I'm gonna open this in my Adobe Acrobat DC. We can see it's asking for password. Now I'm giving my password here. After putting my password, here we can see the PDF file is opened. To remove the password protection, click on Files and go to Properties. Click on this Security Method option. Select here No Security. Click on OK. OK. After that, save this PDF file and close this. Reopen this PDF file, and now we can see it's not asking for password because of I removed the password protection from this PDF file. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then subscribe to this channel. Thank you.